Okay, you can see this big tree. We're looking north. This tree's on the north fence of my yard. You can see the trunk all the way to the house and coming onto the fence. So that tree out basically southward. And then you can see trees in different directions. There's been some cleanup, quite a bit of cleanup yesterday. So I might have some still frames showing there were trees coming toward the fence from the north, from the east. One of them is leaning south, one of them was leaning almost north, and those roots have come up on my side of the fence. The tree was on the other side. So I'll throw in some still frames. But I think that's, let's pan around. Now we're looking north. We'll shrink this so you can see that tree on the fence. And it's recovered pretty well. There was quite a lot up and down on the fence yesterday, but since they trimmed, not so bad. I will stop this now.